I won't lose my hair. Yeah, come and be helping me. Come here, come here. No, I will be cutting it, you will be losing it. Check the place. I won't lose this hair. The hair don't still try. I won't try to grow my hair natural hair. Whether I'll fit to, I'll get the strength and the power and the patience to fit grow this hair. Because if I see people see they get natural hair like that and they like them, but me laziness and impatience, no, they make me they keep my own. So I won't try this season. Carry the book come for me. I won't try whether I'll feel. I hope so not cut the hair soon. No, I don't change the pampers. I hope say I feel keep this odogu. Now disturb you won't just disturb me so. I won't try. If I'll feel keep my hair, make the hair feel long. I know if you happy. Stop! We are making video. Don't do that. No, pick it, pick it. Don't put it on that carpet.
I'll put it.
Yes. Don't mind, brother.
Okay.
Wait. I'm coming. Okay.
Put it like that.
Okay. If I lose them, maybe I'll try my wash and then I'll come tie them akara.
I'll help you to watch it more.
No, I'll wash it myself. Then I'll tie them akara for next tomorrow when be New Year. Chineke me. No, 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 no. Not like that.
I want to just connect.
No, no, no. No, can injure me, oh, sure.
This.
Let me check. The hair don't still come out small. No, give me the scissors.
This.
Okay, oh your brother. Let me cut it down first. Oh, don't wait. Play with sister. I'm coming.
But
Let me.
first all your.
Man, no go do mistake. I'm coming. Man, first go lose the. So I'm done cutting the hair. I think so. So I'm still there back. I'll cut that one later. I want to lose this one.
You do like Mackie Johnson.
I do like Michael Johnson.
Yeah.
I blame you.
What say you, yeah, Mackie Johnson?
Oh yeah, leave there. If I feel patience, train this hair. Hey, say there long. I not feel happy. I'll pay you for what?
For yeah.
When I they make your hair, will they pay me?
That.
If you go finish, go still make the dad pay you. I hope you are not cutting my hair.
Yeah, cutting my hair.
You are cutting my hair.
Yes.
Ha!
Ricky Johnson!
Odogu. Oh yeah, come down. Don't go and enjoy yourself. Oh.
Then I have finished.
That's it. Leave this hair.
No.
Because I don't want to talk. Like, give me that scissors.
Yes, it's mine. Look at your hair come there.
How you guys see am? Mona tell me truth. If plating of hair no fit me, ma just barbara. Okay, let me put this mask.
Daddy said, carry quick.
Oh yeah, hold him, I'm coming. Bless said yes, myself don't finish. I to just pull that.
Mama, do we start your bag?
Ma go put am. After I don't put am, wash am. When I lose am, I come as small. Immediately I put water, e don go down. See am. This Italy water not just good for hair. E dey cut hair. If you see how the hair cut follow me for bedroom when I dey wash am. Where the thread when I cut now? Okay. I wan try if I will fit tie am akara by myself. The light. What is it? I pray make this thing work. Oh. Make it come out. The light, let me hear word. I pray make this thing come out. I never do it by myself. Okay, this one make am 2 times when I don't tie akara by myself. I pray. Oh. I know they see. Ma do and finish. Then I will turn the back. The worst thing is say this man, e no get tip. All those ones dey make me not dey make hair. E no get tip. How person wan take hold hair when be say tip no dey? I never start that and don't they pay me.
E poi sono andato dalla Giorgia e poi sono andato in bagno. Ragazzi, sono sicuro che il cellulare non l'ho messo sul tavolo, ma no, sono sicuro al 100%. Giorgia, dai, non mi far arrabbiare. Lo so che il cellulare l'hai nascosto tu.
Listen, lower that TV.
Giorgia, guarda che il cellulare mi serve, è una cosa molto importante. Lo uso per lavorare.
Is there three?
Allora facciamo così.
Put it for two because they don't tag.
Insieme. Quindi vieni a Roma a cercarlo.
Bless now tomorrow. I go finish this. I mean, I don't do. Not three a day, so I don't they pay me. Oh, I know just the time because my hand they pain. My hand they pain. I remember the day when so let me tie akara by myself during that COVID time. My people, I no fit sleep. Na me do the hair by myself, but I dey cry for myself. If I dey do my children, I dey pity for them. My hand dey pain. So, even as I not tie the hair dey pay me.
Non so, ma il suono sta venendo al frigorifero. Spero che non sia lì, eh. Giorgia, apriamo questo frigorifero. Aspetta, lo apro io. No, ragazzi. Giorgia, io lo so che è stata Giorgia. Lei dice di no, ma è stata sicuramente lei. Giusto, Giorgia? Sei stata tu. Guarda, se scopro prima o poi che sei stata tu, te la faccio pagare. Vabbè, cerco di crederti.
The one I cut off first, I need to cut another thread. I'm not sure if I fit do the hair today because if I do one, I no fit sleep. The hair dey pay me. The person be say hair dey pain. I no come do hair when me say I no fit sleep and I get baby. Tomorrow afternoon I'll try my do am.
Non lo so, Giorgia, però intanto l'abbiamo cacciata via! La casa possiamo dormire e sta tutto quanto insieme di nuovo molto più tranquilla e in santa pace. Yeah! Anche oggi il video è terminato. Ci siamo finalmente liberati di questi due mostri sciattoli.
Tomorrow I'll do am. That time sef sun go still dey. I go dey see well because I no dey see well.
Che cosa hai combinato, Giorgia?
Per sbaglio ho cliccato invio sulla foto di Anti Guardi. Mago, a me non mi sembrava una pubblicità.
The still dey there. When I settle down wash, I no be the thing I dey see so. I be na dandruff. I get dandruff for hair.
Adesso le faccio un bellissimo scherzo. Sembra scherzare. Lo scherzo che avevo intenzione io di fare al babbo è che mi disegno una zanzara sulla mano e do uno strappo enorme.
No wonder this hair dey scratch me. I need to buy. I think I buy cream for dandruff. I'll check am later. No wonder this hair dey always dey scratch. For night I no dey sleep because of this. Okay, let me go and make tea for myself and drink. And don't forget, guys, to comment, like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and comment, share. Thank you for for my returning subscriber on my YouTube channel. Thank you on my friends on Facebook, for those of you supporting me, and thank you for the ones on TikTok supporting me. Thank you, guys. God bless you all. As you support me, may you see who will support you in everything you do in life. So we are done for today. Can't make the hair again today, so I'm going to do it tomorrow when there's sunlight.